Hi everyone, it's Nam from PPC Ad Editor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the attribute filter to quickly find the specific previews you need. And this preview attribute filter is simple to use and will save you a lot of time. So yeah, let's start with the add attribute first. First name the attribute. Let's name it Google, and then assign values to it. Let the values be A1 and A2. You can name it, name the attribute anything you like, and add as many values as you need. Then select the values you want to assign to the attribute name. So once you've selected the values, click done, and our attribute will be added as filter, and the values will be working as key to filter out the preview including those values. So yeah, next let's look at managing attributes. In the manage attribute section, you can remove and add values assigned to an attribute or delete the entire attribute if needed. So yeah, now let's assign these attribute values to different previews. Choose the preview you want to apply attribute filter to and click edit. Select the attribute name, choose the attribute values you want to assign, and click save attributes. Yeah. Finally, click save to apply the values to the preview. Yeah. To filter, simply go to the filter section, select the attribute filter, and select the values, and it will display the preview with the same attribute values. So yeah, here are the previews with the attribute value. Yeah. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and bye.